How's your job? Yeah.
Uh, I'm preparing for my interviews.
Interview. When is it? When are they?
Maybe next week.
Excellent. Okay. Are there some exciting opportunities?
Yes, I think so.
Great. Well, I wish you all the best with it.
Thank you.
Great, and I hope that your your next job is wonderful. So yeah. All right. So Elon, let's get going because we don't have a long time. I've got a class after this. So we are going to be talking about medical care. Monitoring cancer cells is no longer unattainable. So we're
Okay.
looking at cancer. Okay, we're looking at cancer today.
Sorry,
All right.
I have
Yeah.
a request.
Yeah.
Can we talk
Yes.
about another topic like the behavior interviews? Like some common questions I prepared, like the
So
freestyle.
what do you want? Are you wanting to look at interview styles?
Yes. Like
Okay, and you wanting to look at yeah.
yeah, I prepared uh some questions. Maybe I have like this. I will try to tap in.
But who would you ask those questions? Uh, is that what you expect to be asked?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, all right. I tell and where are you being interviewed from? Which country?
Uh, New Zealand.
New Zealand. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, we will look at that. I'll tell you what I want to do first. Let's just quickly go through that. We can look at that. I will look at that with you. But I just want to make sure that you've got the vocabulary of this lesson because I also have to make sure that you are on track with your English. So, can we go through the vocabulary and then we'll look at those questions? Because I need to make sure that you know these words.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, great. So, let's go through these. Let's go through the vocabulary and the pronunciations, and then I'll be happy. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. First one, malignant.
Malignant. Dangerous to one's health. Uh, character characterized by progressive
Progressive.
progressive and uncontrolled growth, especially of a tumor
Tumor, yeah.
tumor
Epithelial. Epithelial.
epithelial epithelial of or belonging to the tissues tissues that makes up the covering of the internal organs or a person's skin.
Good. Metastasize.
Metastasize.
Metastasize, yes.
Metastasize. Spread
Yeah.
throughout the body.
Good. Next one.
Contagious.
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 Yeah.
Ca-
Yes.
capable of
The
being.
coronavirus.
Yeah.
The coronavirus is contagious.
Contagious.
It can spread. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Carry on. Capable of.
Capable of being transmitted by infection.
Yeah. Next one.
He
Hereditary.
hereditary.
Hereditary. Yeah.
Hereditary.
Yeah. Yeah.
Passed from parent to child through genes.
genes,
genes,
genes.
genes.
Yeah, your genetics. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lethargy, lethargy.
Lethargy. Lethargy means the feeling of having no energy.
Good. Next one, molecule.
Molecule. Molecule means the most smallest unit or substance can be divided into, usually with two or more atoms.
Atoms. Yeah. Next one, conventional.
Conventional. Something used for a long time and considered to be the norm.
Good. Okay, let's just look at the pronunciations again and then we'll get on to your stuff. Okay, first one,
M-
try.
malignant.
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 Malignant. Yeah. Epithelial.
Epithe-
Epithelial.
epithelial. Epithelial.
There's it.
M-
Metas.
Metas- Metastasis. Metastasis.
Perfect. Good. Yeah.
Counter contagious.
Contay.
Contagious.
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 Contagious. You could get sick from it. Yeah, contagious.
Contagious.
Good. Yeah.
Her-
Hereditary.
hereditary.
Yes.
Hereditary.
Lith- lethargy.
Lethargy.
Molecule.
Molecule.
Conventional.
Conventional.
Is it? One more time. Let's go by yourself without me now. Okay, first one.
First one is the malignant.
Good.
E-
Epi.
epithelial.
Epithelial. Epithelial. Yeah.
Epithelial.
Yeah.
Matter. Metastasis. Metastasis.
Good. Perfect. Yeah.
Contagious. Sorry.
Contag.
Contagious.
There's it. Contagious. Yeah.
He- hereditary.
Perfect. Yeah.
Lethargy.
Lith. Lith. Lethargy.
Lethargy. Lethargy.
There's it. Yeah.
Mer, mer,
Mola.
molecule.
Molecule. Good.
Molecule.
Yeah. Yeah.
Conventional.
Is it? Okay. Good. Well done. Okay. So